One of the other applications that we can use is the Forms application, and we can find this in the admin panel. If we click All Apps, we can see a list of our applications, and we can then click Forms. Now, Forms allows us to create surveys, quizzes, as well as to analyze data in Excel. Of course, the first two uses will be most relevant to us. What we're going to do now is create a new form. We can add in our question. We can choose the kind of question that we are going to ask. And then we can write in our question and our options. And we can have latitude over how that question is expressed. We can decide if it's going to be required. And then we can make it saved. Now within Forms, we will get an opportunity to look at the responses so that we'll know how people are responding to what it is that we are putting before them in terms of questions. We can preview our question on personal computer as well as on mobile. We can change the appearance of the quiz by changing the theme. And once we've completed our question, we can then click Share. Then we can determine how we want the survey to be shared. We can make it so that anyone with the link can respond, or we can make it so that people only within our organization can respond. What we can also do is we can share this quiz so that we can have others to give their input on how it should be enacted. So for example, what we can do is we can share a link that will allow others to view it and edit it. And we can then take that link and decide that only people within our organization can view it and edit it. We can then copy this link, and then we can paste this link to others so that they can help us write the rest of the quiz or the survey. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.